thank you for calling Lavar Restaurant. How may I help you?
I'd like to make a reservation.
May I know your name, ma'am, so that I can address you properly?
Okay, I'm Joanna Paula Bollier.
Okay, for which day and for what time, Ma'am Paula?
It's for Friday, the 14th at 8 o'clock in the morning.
How many will be in the party, ma'am?
Only me,
And the name of the reservation, ma'am?
under my name, Paula.
And a phone number where we can reach you, Ma'am Paula?
It's 0927-864-5637.
0927-864-5637.
Yes.
Am I right, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. What do you want to have a table set up, ma'am?
American setup, is it okay?
Okay, ma'am. Let me repeat back to you the information I have. This is a reservation on Friday, February 14 for one person at 8 a.m. and American setup. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, that's right. Can I have a table by the window in the non-smoking section? I want to be away from the kitchen if possible.
Our restaurant is all non-smoking. We can't guarantee a window table, but I'll note your preference. Is there anything else, ma'am?
That sounds nice. I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for calling Lavar Restaurant. I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Lavar Restaurant. Do you have any reservation?
Yes, I have a reservation.
May I know your name, ma'am, to check the reservation?
Joanna Paula Bollier.
It's nice to see you, Ma'am Paula. Wait a minute and I'll check the reservation book.
Okay.
Sorry for keeping you wait, ma'am. Upon checking, your table is there. This way, please.
Okay, thank you.
Will this table be okay with you, ma'am?
Oh, nice.
Okay, have a seat, ma'am.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I present the menu?
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Would you
Yes.
like to have a glass of water?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. May I unfold the napkin for you?
Okay, please.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
Would you like to have a complimentary bread?
Yes, please.
Okay, ma'am. I'll be right back to have your complimentary bread and butter.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your bread and butter.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Do you have anything else?
No?
Okay, ma'am. I'll be right back to get your order.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I take your order?
Okay, I would like to order cream cheese canapé for my appetizer, apple French toast roll-ups for my main dish, and protein overnight bars for my dessert. That's all.
Thank you, ma'am. May I repeat your order? You ordered cream cheese canapé for your appetizer, apple French toast roll-up for your main dish, and protein overnight oats for your dessert. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, your food will be served for 15 to 20 minutes. Would that be all right with you?
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. May I take a menu?
Okay. Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like some drinks or coffee? Here is the drink list.
Thank you. I prefer coffee.
Okay, ma'am. What type of coffee do you want to drink?
I'd like to have espresso.
May I repeat your order, ma'am? You ordered espresso. Would that be all?
Yes.
Ma'am, when would you like to serve your coffee?
Before my meal.
Okay, ma'am. Please wait your order. Will be served for 15 to 20 minutes for your meal and 5 minutes for your espresso.
Okay, sure.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. May I adjust the table for your coffee?
Okay, sure, please.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your espresso coffee.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. May I clear the table for you?
Sure.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your cream cheese canapé for appetizer.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. May I clear the table for you?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your apple French toast rolled up for your main dish. And your yummy dessert or protein overnight oats. Enjoy your meal, ma'am.
Thank you.
Please call me if you need anything.
Okay, sure. Waiter.
Excuse me, ma'am. How would you like to pay the bill? Cash or credit card?
I'll pay it cash. Here.
I received 5,000 pesos. I'll get back for your change, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Here is your change.
Thank you.
May I help you, ma'am?
Sure.
Thank you, ma'am. Hope you enjoy staying with us. We look forward to your next visit.
Thank you so much.